Hi, my name is Chinyere, facilitator at Amdor Analytics. So today we'll be learning how to use Vlookup function and indirect function together in Microsoft Excel. All right, so here you can see we have different tables here. We have Ogun State, we have Lagos State, we have Abuja and Anambra State. Okay, this actually, let me say, a good being sold in certain areas of certain locations. Okay, so we have all these goods. These are the items, and these are the sales of all these products. Okay, now what are we trying to achieve? Here you have what one will say. If we select an item here, okay, if we select an item here, we want to have that item, select the state, we want to see the price of that, well, that particular item here. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to name our tables, So I'm going to highlight this, my table, and I will come here, I will name it. So I'm going to name it Ogun. So I'll hit enter. So I'm going to name this one too. So I'll name it Lagos. I'll hit enter. So here, I'm going to name the table as well. So here, so I'll name it, so we have it as the name, hit enter. So here, I'm going to name it what? Abuja. Right, so we've named our tables, okay? So now, how do we proceed? Now, I'm going to say here we already have data validation here. So you can see the item here. You can see all the items are here. So what are we trying to achieve here? We are saying that if we come here and select, because all these things, the prices, the same products are being sold in different locations, okay? So if we select a particular product here, if we select a product here, we want to select the location, we want to see the price of that product, okay? We want to see the price of that product. Now, what do we need to do? So here, I'm going to select here, and then I'll go to my data ribbon. So now I want to set data validation here. Okay, so I'll go to my data ribbon. I see it here. Then look for data validation. You can see data validation over your cursor there. You can see data validation. So I'm going to click on data validation. So from here, I'm going to take it to list. So here, I will name the tables here. I mean the headers here. Okay, that simply means the states. So I'm going to say Ogun. We have Lagos. Right? So we have Anambra. And then we have Abuja. So Abuja, so I'm going to click on OK. Perfect. So here we have what? We have all the states. We have all the states. Now, let's see how we're going to achieve that, okay? We want to select a product here, select the state, and then we're going to see the same price here, okay? So let's start with, let's select the first one to be Ogun, all right? So here, I'll say equal to Vlookup, right? So it's asking for what? Our first argument here is asking for lookup value. So our lookup value is this item here, right? Then comma. So table array is the entire table. So I'm going to select Ogun now. So let's say Ogun, right? So I click on it. So column index number is the column index number of what we are looking for, and is what is in column 2. So I'm going to write 2, and then of course the exact match. Give us what? Exact match, okay? And that's what, so close it and then hit enter. All right, so the price of mouse in Ogun State is what? Is 300. All right, so let's select another state now and say, let's look for the price of mouse in same, because this same product is here in Lagos State. So I'm going to select Lagos. So the price, it did not change. So let's select Anambra. We did not change it, okay? So for us to ensure, for us to maintain that particular, that when we select an item, the price of that particular product in another table changes, we use what? Indirect function in Excel. So let's proceed now. Let's see how we're going to use it. So I'm going to clear, let's clear everything here. So here now we have, of course, we have a lookup value to be what? Our the items, okay? So the table array, now we don't know, we are saying we are going to use what? Indirect now. So indirect function, you can see it here, right? It's asking for what? Just text, just a reference, okay? Cell reference. So I'm going to take it to Dix here, all right? So Dix table here, name, we're using Dix over state here as what? As a reference. So we close it and we close that column, table, argument, then comma. Now, of course, the column index number is still 2. So we select the same 2, then exact match. Okay, so let's see. Now we have what? This is a number. All right, so let's change the price. So the price of mouse in Anambra State, let's see, let's make sure. So this is 1.5, right? So let's select another state. So here, I'm going to select another state. Let's select Ogun. So you can see this is what it's giving us what? 3,000. 3,000. Let's look for it here to make sure. So this is 3,000. So let's select another state. Okay. Let's see Abuja. So you can see 1.5. Where is it? Okay. 4.5, right? 4.5. Okay, so let's look for another product as well. Let's look for another product. Let's say DVD, any product here, you can see the price as well is changing. So the price of DVD in Abuja is what? 1,005. Okay, let's say the price of DVD, another product here. Okay, keyboard is still 3,000. Now let's change the state. So I'll come to the state and change the price of keyboard in Ogun State. Is what? 2,150. So let's look for it here. Price of keyboard. Okay, you can see it. All right, guys. So that's actually how you can use VLOOKUP and indirect function together in Microsoft Excel. All right. So, guys, if you want to become an expert, you want to become a certified data analyst, you want to be expert in all these things, I want to encourage you to register with Amdor Analytics. Amdor Analytics is an edtech company that focuses more in delivering value to students, okay? Register with Amdor Analytics, start your program with Amdor Analytics. And the amazing thing is that we are having our free data analytics masterclass this week, next week, 27th of April. So we encourage you to register with Amdor Analytics. Come and start your program. Learn how to use all these things beyond. You want to become an expert. You want to be expert in using Microsoft Excel, using SQL, Power BI, everything that you can actually take up that will help you to become a certified data analyst. We're here to assist you. See you guys in the class. Cheers and stay tuned. Let's learn together in the next video. Bye.